Welcome to Horizons of History. Today, we'll uncover a country with a rich and unique history, culture, and geography. In this video, we will take a closer look at Egypt's fascinating history. With a rich heritage dating back thousands of years, Egypt boasts unique geography, ancient architecture, culture, wonders of world, and more interesting facts about Egypt. Geography of Egypt. Egypt has a total area of about 1,010,407 square kilometers. Egypt has a vast desert landscape that covers over 90% of the country's total land area. Egypt is bordered by Libya to the west, Sudan to the south, the Red Sea and Israel to the east, and the Mediterranean Sea to the north. The country has a coastline of about 2,450 kilometers along the Mediterranean Sea and the Red Sea. History of Egypt. Egypt has a rich and complex history that spans over 5,000 years. The ancient Egyptians developed a highly sophisticated civilization that lasted from around 3100 BC to 30 BC. During this time, they built incredible monuments such as the pyramids and the Sphinx, and developed a complex system of writing, religion, and government. In 332 BC, Egypt was conquered by Alexander the Great, and later became part of the Roman Empire. After the fall of the Roman Empire, Egypt was ruled by a series of Islamic dynasties, including the Fatimids, the Mamluks, and the Ottomans. In the 19th century, Egypt became a British protectorate, which lasted until 1952 when a military coup led by Gamal Abdel Nasser overthrew the monarchy and established a republic. Nasser was followed by Anwar Sadat, who signed a historic peace treaty with Israel in 1979, and then by Hosni Mubarak, who ruled for nearly 30 years before being ousted in a popular uprising in 2011. Today, Egypt is a democratic republic and is a major player in the Arab world and the wider Middle East region. Population and religion. Egypt has a diverse population of 111.88 million, with the majority of 90% Muslims. However, the country also has significant Christian and Jewish populations. Wonders of Egypt. The country is home to several UNESCO World Heritage Sites and is known for its many wonders, from the ancient pyramids and Sphinx of Giza to the stunning temples of Abu Simbel. These monuments were built by the ancient Egyptians, who developed a highly sophisticated civilization that lasted for thousands of years. The pyramids of Egypt are among the most iconic structures in the world. These massive tombs were built by the pharaohs as tombs for pharaohs, rulers of ancient Egypt, as a way to ensure their eternal life in the afterworld. The largest of these, the Great Pyramid of Giza, was built for Pharaoh Khufu and stands at over 140 meters tall. To date, over 130 pyramids have been discovered in Egypt. The Sphinx of Giza is another iconic monument of ancient Egypt. This giant statue of a mythical creature with the body of a lion and the head of a human is over 4,500 years old and is believed to have been built by Pharaoh Khufu. The Sphinx is an enduring symbol of the power and majesty of the ancient Egyptian civilization. Abu Simbel is another stunning temple complex that was built by Pharaoh Ramesses II in the 13th century BC. The temple consists of two massive rock-cut temples, one dedicated to Ramesses II and the other to his queen, Nefertari. These temples were relocated in the 1960s to avoid flooding from the construction of the Aswan High Dam. The wonders of Egypt are a testament to the incredible achievements of the ancient Egyptian civilization and continue to inspire and awe visitors from around the world. Egyptian economy. Egypt is a developing country with a GDP expected to reach $424.35 billion by the end of 2023. Its economy is largely dependent on tourism, agriculture, and natural gas exports. Egyptian military. Egypt has one of the largest and most powerful militaries in the Middle East, with a total of about 1.2 million military personnel. The Egyptian military has played an important role in regional and international conflicts, which involved several wars between Egypt and Israel. These wars included the 1948 Arab-Israel War, the 1956 Suez Crisis, the 1967 Six-Day War, and the 1973 Yom Kippur War. In terms of budget, it is approximately $9 billion. Places to visit in Egypt. Egypt is a popular tourist destination, and there are many places to visit in the country. Some of the most famous tourist attractions include the pyramids of Giza, the Sphinx, the temples of Luxor and Karnak, and the Valley of the Kings. Other popular destinations include the beaches along the Red Sea coast, the Nile River, and the cities of Cairo, Sharm el-Sheikh, and Alexandria. Interesting facts about Egypt. Egypt is home to the world's oldest university, Al-Azhar University, which was founded in 970 AD. Egypt is home to the Nile River, the longest river in the world, which spans over 4,135 miles, 6,650 kilometers. The Nile River flows through several countries in Africa, including Egypt, Sudan, South Sudan, Ethiopia, Uganda, and Tanzania. It is a vital source of water and fertile land for millions of people. The ancient Egyptians were the first civilization to develop a 365-day calendar, which they used for agriculture and to plan religious events. The oldest known dress in the world was discovered in Egypt and dates back to 2800 BC. The mummy of Ramses II, one of the greatest pharaohs of Egypt, was issued a valid passport in 1974 so that it could be transported to France for restoration work. Thanks for watching my video about Egypt. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more great videos.